Is it just me, or does it feel like the entire world has turned into one giant Vegas strip mall lately? Think about it. We wake up and check the odds on the election. We grab lunch and bet on whether the Fed cuts rates. By dinner, we're doom-scrolling X to see if a billionaire's tweet is going to pump a meme coin with a dog on it. We used to call this gambling, and people would look at you sideways. But now it feels like the only game in town. And guess what? I'm not the only one noticing this shift. Jack Liu, the CEO of Magic Eden, the guys who built the empire selling us digital monkeys and pixelated wizards, just came out and said the quiet part out loud. He's calling it the speculation supercycle. And folks, this isn't just corporate buzzword bingo. It's a massive signal about where your money and your attention is going next. So, put down the dice for a second and listen up, because the line between investing and entertainment just got erased. And Magic Eden is trying to build the biggest playground in history. So, here's the scoop. You remember Magic Eden as the premier NFT marketplace, right? The place where we all hope to flip a JPEG for a down payment on a house? Well, Jack Liu is looking at the charts and he's pivoting hard. He recently went on record saying, quote, "Speculation is mainstream now." He's arguing that the old days of finance being boring spreadsheets are dead. The new model? It's finance meets entertainment. It's about the rush. It's about the dopamine. And to prove he's serious, Magic Eden isn't just selling art anymore. They're about to launch a new platform called Dicey. And yes, it is exactly what it sounds like. We are talking about a fully decentralized crypto casino and sportsbook. They're moving into prediction markets, betting, and what they call hyper-casual games. Basically, they see a future where you don't just buy a token and hold it, you play with it, you bet it, you engage with it. They're transforming from an art gallery into a high-tech casino where the users can actually host the games. Now, you might be thinking, great, another way to lose money. But hold on, let's zoom out for the so what. Why is one of the biggest names in crypto making such a drastic U-turn? Because they follow the volume. Look at the data. The NFT market has been, let's be polite and say, sleeping. Volumes are down, floor prices are bleeding, and even major events like NFT Paris got canceled because nobody wanted to go. The hold and pray model is hurting. But look at the other side of the aisle. Prediction markets like Polymarket, they're exploding. We're talking over $800 million in volume in a single day recently. Betting is currently the second fastest growing industry in the US, right behind AI. Jack Liu nailed it when he said that people are tired of complex DeFi protocols that require a PhD to understand. They want action. They want to know right now if they won or lost. This speculation supercycle is the realization that the modern internet user sees capital as a tool for entertainment. Magic Eden is basically betting their company that we're all a bunch of degens at heart. And honestly, they're probably right. But here's the part where your ears should really perk up. The now what? How does this impact your portfolio? If you're holding the ME token, Magic Eden's native coin, this pivot isn't just news, it's potential income. Magic Eden is rolling out a new tokenomics model that is surprisingly generous. They announced that 15% of the net revenue from all these new degens-only initiatives, including the Dicey Casino and their cross-chain trading, is going to be funneled back to the community. Here's the breakdown. Half of that revenue goes to buying back ME tokens from the market, which theoretically helps support the price. The other half, it gets paid out to people staking the token. And get this, they're planning to pay those rewards in USDC, cold hard stablecoins. Not some inflationary reward token that dumps in value, but actual cash equivalents. So, if their thesis is right, and this speculation supercycle sends millions of people flocking to Dicey to bet on sports or crypto games, the people holding the ME token effectively become the house. You stop being the gambler and start acting like the casino owner. So, what's the move here? First, keep an eye on this launch in March. See if the product is actually good. The crypto graveyard is full of clumsy apps that nobody used. But secondly, maybe it's time to rethink how we view the market. We're not just investing anymore. We're participating in a global 24/7 attention economy. Magic Eden is handing you a ticket to monetize that chaos. Just remember one thing. In a speculation supercycle, the highs are higher, but the lows are faster. If you're going to play in this new sandbox, make sure you know your limits. It's a brave new world out there, folks. Magic Eden is rolling the dice. The question is, are you feeling lucky? Thanks for listening. Keep your head on a swivel, and I'll catch you on the next block.